I lived in this property here at 549 East Altadena for 45 years. Every day there's something I think about. And it's like, oh, that's no longer there because it was attached to the house. And the things that you're really gonna miss are the memories. But like, memories, you can make more. And that's why we've planned, our family have made the decision to come back and to rebuild. We want to make this even better than before, if possible, and to acquire more memories. Relatively speaking, I've been somewhat pleased and surprised at the response that we've gotten from the governmental agencies and others. They have been very attuned to our situations here, and they have been responsive as far as asking what we need. I'm very pleased with that. I'm just hoping that the next phase goes as smoothly, or maybe even smoother than this phase here. To my neighbors and friends who are residents of this great community here, my advice is to keep positive. No matter what decision that you've made, either to sell or to rebuild, you know that this is a great community, how resilient we are, and how the human spirit can overcome great tragedies. Personally, I hope that you decide to stay and to rebuild